FSA offices, like many other government functions, shut down in late December and haven't been able to reopen because they haven't come to an agreement. The FSA offices did reopen for some limited functions, but certainly not all functions at the FSA offices. This is obviously the time of year when most of our farm and ranch producers do their kind of financial planning, looking forward. Usually it's during this winter time period. We have a ton of resources to help producers work through the financial management and financial planning process in general, but more specifically for this issue, it's really a cash flow issue. And we have publications as well as spreadsheet tools to help producers with that cash flow planning process. And those are, of course, available on our through our AgEcon extension website. If they go to agecon.okstate.edu and click on extension, it will quickly lead them to those what we're calling our e-farm management resources. That's probably going to be the most useful tool for this specific problem that we're dealing with, which really is a timing of cash flow issue. And that's what that tool is designed to help people work through. The longer it goes on, the more difficult it's going to be to just say, well, delay, wait and see, hold off paying that bill for another month. Those kinds of things, they're going to work in the short run, I think. For most of our producers, it's going to be more of a challenge, and we're just going to have to stay in constant communication with our input suppliers, with our other lenders, with our other creditors, and make sure that they're aware that hey, one of the things that's going on here is we're just waiting on this Farm Service Agency services, payments, loans, whatever the case may be. Can we continue to get through and get through this system, but or this issue? But it's going to become increasingly difficult the longer it goes on, obviously, for that subset of producers that rely heavily on those sources.